Hello and welcome to video number 29 of 30 on the How to Build Your Online Marketing Business System video series. Now, okay, we're nearly there, guys. I'm so excited for you. We are together building this online machine that sits behind your business. If you're an online coach, personal trainer, or you have a gym and you're wanting to generate not just leads but high quality leads into your business, so you know and can predict exactly how much revenue you're going to be making each month, how many clients that you can fulfill each and every month, because old school traditional methods don't always work very hard and when you want them to either, because there's so many moving parts. There's not enough time in a day to become a marketer and also train your awesome clients. So I'm here to make your life a lot easier and make this whole online marketing fitness stuff easier to digest as well, because it is a time consuming thing. It is time investment. You need to make sure that you allocate time to learn this stuff, or obviously pay a pretty penny to get other people to do it for you. But I'm here offering it to you for free. Obviously I do paid versions of this as well, but yes, you are here because you're wanting just to finish off your campaign. We are now number 29 of 30, so this is your daily data tracker. More to follow. Yeah, more to follow after this. Great stuff, welcome back. So you are driven and you are like a gun at this, trying to learn exactly how to generate these high quality leads and clients into your business. And you've just literally launched your Facebook ads campaign using this 30 video series. We've been through a hell of a lot and I really do appreciate and thank you for your patience in this. And if you've got any feedback, I would love to know how you've been getting on, because really what I've done with these videos with in mind is I want you to have like a window into what it really means to build a machine that sits behind your business. So then you've got that predictability, the confidence to scale your business and grow, whatever your goal is. But most people are looking to generate high quality leads and clients into their business. And this is obviously a way of doing it. And it's helped me, it's helped my clients, and I'm here now helping you. So hopefully you've been enjoying the video series. But anyway, this is the daily data tracker that I was given as a tool, and it's just absolutely awesome, with credit to Chris Brown. I've just been on one of his programs and it's absolutely awesome, and this is like the best I've ever received in terms of my mentoring over the years since 2014, when it came to me learning about this online marketing fitness stuff to market my businesses. So this is just amazing, and this is what I'm going to go through, and this is what you can get as well as a gift for me, and this is what we're going to be using if you were to join in the paid version of this 30 video series and trainings. So I want you to, you can grab this if you're in the Facebook group. I'll let you know once you're in the Facebook group, if you haven't gone in there already, where to find it. This basically mirrors what you can see if I go back to... So if you go to your Facebook Ads Manager, this tracker here will mirror what we've created here. Now, if you go back to your Facebook Ads Manager, what we created a few videos ago when it came to the dashboard that we created for Facebook, it's defaulted now into your account. This tracker here mirrors what we've got here in terms of like what Facebook will tell you in terms of your results of your campaign. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be mirroring what's being told in Facebook ads in your campaign, what's been told also in your type form in terms of the leads. So then you can put it here on this sheet as a daily record. Why? Because it will give you the confidence, it will give you the clarity, it will give you just the insight as to how your campaign's actually doing. So as again, I can't remember who said this in this way, data over drama. Data is amazing to have, but you don't want to let your mind take over and make emotional, irrational decisions when it comes to your campaigns. Now, I've been that person before where I've got nervous over my campaign because really I didn't know what I was doing and switched off way too soon before I got the information rolling in from my campaign. And that's what you not need to do. You can't be switching on and off your campaigns, and you need to be able to know exactly what your information is telling you, the data that's coming through from your campaign. And this amazing tool helps you do that and gives you, or overrides, that fear you might have from not being able to read your results or turning on and off your campaign, which is not very good to do. So if you look here, you've got the amount spent. Basically, in yellow, these are the fields that I want you to fill out every single day. So here you've got October, November, December. You can obviously add as many, columns as you want, tabs, sorry, depending on when you're watching this recording. But every single day, you need to be monitoring your campaign. Don't go a day without spending 5 minutes or so, that's all it takes, to look over your Facebook ad campaign once it's launched. So here in yellow, you fill out the yellow fields, the amount spent, the unique link clicks, the landing page, the leads that you get, the registrations completed, the calls that you have, and the sales that you make, and then ultimately it gives you the results of how you're doing and where your money that you're investing into Facebook is going. Now, we haven't launched John's campaign. We plan to do that on Monday. Today's Saturday the 17th of August. No, not August, sorry, 17th of October. Where did I get August from? And we're going to be launching on Monday. Very exciting. So I'll probably add a bonus after this training about how that particular campaign for John is going. So right now we haven't actually got any data. And the reason why I haven't got any data for you to show is because we're waiting for his Facebook ads campaign to get verified again through Facebook. So what I did yesterday, as mentioned in the previous video, I asked John to change his currency of Facebook from US dollars into sterling, and because we did that, Facebook disabled his account and wanted him to verify a new account. So we had to set up a new account, and to send his driver's license and everything. And unfortunately, I haven't got access to his account now, so we're just in the process of waiting for that. So hopefully that will come in the next 24 hours or so, the confirmation. But this is why I've got no results to show you, unfortunately. But just to give you an idea, you can fill out all these yellow columns using what we created on this dashboard. So here we are. This is what would show, and obviously there'll be information on there. But I've given you some examples of what you can expect to see. So let's say on any day, day one, you've spent £29.70 on your ad spend. You got unique link clicks of 39, so 39 people clicking on your landing page click. This actually works as a traffic light type system. Green means great. Keep going, because what we're doing, what the data is saying, your campaign is working. If you've got like a red come up, that means you need to maybe work on an area, and an amber, yeah, you need to be mindful that you need to work on that particular area. But this is just an example. So if you were to get 25 page views, people actually click through and land on your page, that converts to 5 leads. And the registrations completed were 1. Let's say you had 1 call booked on that particular day, you got 1 sale through. That is a brilliant day, really. You got £167 profit. You got a 100% conversion, because obviously you converted that 1 sale. And it goes from there. This is why this tool is just amazing. Another example could be, let's say your amount spent was £34.53. You got 64 unique link clicks that particular day, so your cost per click was 54p, which is amazing. Your landing page views were 54. Again, like leads that came in that day were 13. Your cost per lead was £2.66, which is great. You got the conversion landing page there, bridge page. This say you got 2 completed registrations, you got 1 call, and then yeah, again you can see that was also a good day. But you can also, if you just spend a bit of time on this particular tool, what can work and what can't work, and what you need to actually work on, because you can have like a whole, oh damn it, I've lost the thing now, 1 sec. So let's say you wanted to run your campaign for the next 2 weeks. You can see then over 14 days what ends up being green, what ends up being amber, what ends up being red, and then you know what parts of the campaign you can work on. So you can obviously improve like your land. I did make a point, from your landing page, application form, and then also your thank you page, not too much change there. Usually the variables are your copy, so your Facebook ad copy, maybe the image you can change there, And also, it could be another variable for you to work on the initial stages to really tweak and change your campaign. Could be the conversions. So maybe if your conversion isn't high enough, you need to then work on your sales and how you deliver your sort of sales calls at the end, of the process. If you're converting 50% plus, obviously that's amazing. Anything under 50%, this would obviously turn to like amber, and you need to like work on it. But once you've got the whole machine built, you don't really need to be changing too much, because usually the main variables are your Facebook ad copy or how you sell at the back end. But if it is maybe like your landing page or application form or whatever, this would obviously show you here. So then you know at any one time how your campaign's doing, if you were diligent enough to complete this on a daily basis. So this tool, guys, is absolutely amazing. It's what I use in all my campaigns. It is fantastic. I obviously let my clients know this. This is now given to you. I mean, let's just say you wanted to change, let's say you're in the US, you can change this to dollars, which is great. So if you go to formats and number and then go down to more formats, you can have more currencies there. And in order to, the link for this actual document will be in the Facebook group, the Quality Client Generation Facebook group. The link is in the description box below. But in order to change this and make this yours, you will go to File, and then you need to go to Make a Copy, and then that you can change that to obviously you. And then you have the confidence then and the knowledge of knowing at any one time how your campaign is doing. And that should then alleviate the fear that you might have, the irrational behaviour when it comes to maybe turning on and off a campaign or tweaking something you may not even need to tweak. Because until you know your numbers and exactly what all this means, you're in the dark really, and there's no point being in the dark, because it ends up that you could be wasting your investment into Facebook. So this is great, guys. Let me know how you get on. And yeah, if you want that 2-week free trial from me, then awesome. Just feel free to book a call. The link is below. We'll see if we're a good fit. I'm a results-based coach only. So if you like the results after me using your investment of £200 into the Facebook spends, then that's great. We can have an onward conversation. If you want to subscribe, then awesome, great to have you here on on YouTube. I give away, remember, to 3 new subscribers my business bundle. So subscribe, hit this like to the video, leave a comment, hit that bell notification button as well, because then you can get notified of all my upcoming videos. And yeah, I've also got other paid courses. I do 5 steps to freedom as an online coach. I also do the business emergency business. Oh, I can't remember what it's called now, damn it. I do 3 paid courses. Have a look online. You can go to my website, jenlillian.com. I'm absolutely fogged up here, I really am, but I've got one more video to record just for you guys to finish off this whole awesome video series. I hope you enjoyed it. One more to go, and yeah, we're nearly at the end, guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing your results very soon. So yeah, more to follow in the next video. See you then.